welcome to Tucker's Chop Shop. Today we're going to talk about my Project 83 C10 pickup truck. Had it about 3 years, so I'm going to introduce you to it today, and we'll be doing some upgrades to it later. Like I said, it's a 1983 C10 Silverado. Came factory with a 305 700 R4 transmission, but it now has a 5.3 and 4L60 out of a 2003 Tahoe pickup Tahoe. It's kind of my daily driver. I drive it whenever I want to drive it to work. Weather's fine. It's got kind of a ratty look to it, but I like that. Been to several truck events with it. Gets a lot of attention because it's mostly stock. It's got a 8-inch rally wheels. Got a 3-inch Beltec front spindle drop, 2-inch spring. We also got a flip kit in the back. I got a C-notch kit to install in it later, but haven't got it installed yet. But other than that, it's pretty stock. Has got a Flowmaster muffler on it. Flowmaster mufflers. It does pretty good on gas mileage. So future upgrades, I plan on putting the C-notch in, maybe putting some different wheels on it, but keep the rallies. The interior of my C10 is basically stock. Headliner's been redone. All the vent windows look like they've been redone. It's got a plain seat in it now. I've got a buddy that's going to recover my seat for me and fix my door panel pockets. But other than that, everything's in pretty good shape. When I get the air conditioning fixed in, I'm going to take the sliding back window out and put a regular plain back glass in it. But truck has tilt cruise, but manual windows and manual door locks. Like I said, the engine's just a 5.3. Does have headers, Flowmaster mufflers. I got the cover over the top of the intake. That kind of helps the looks of it. Plan on fixing the air condition this winter. Try to get it hooked up. Other than that, that's the only thing that's not working on the truck. Trying to keep it as stock as looking as I can. My buddy wants to paint it. He wants to take it back like it was, but I kind of like it this way. I like to worry about scratching it. A lot of my friends rented the C10s, and I've done a couple LS swaps. So if you like the channel, subscribe, put some comments down below. Tell me what I should do to the C10. Like I said, this is my old man Tucker project. My grandpa used to have an old truck like this. My dad did too. I was the first one to put a dent in my dad's truck, hauling sand in 50-pound bags in the back, and hit the brakes and slid up to the front of the cab and bent the front of the bed. So I was the first one to bend his new truck up. So I've always liked the square bodies.